Now 5:16, so let's bring back in meteorologist Alan Rose with the check of our forecast. Good morning, Alan.
Tony, good morning to you. You know, I'm not a financial planner, but if I had any advice to myself back in the past, I would have bought 1,000 forever stamps back in the 90s.
Then you're set for life. You could retire right now.
Man, I know. Those costs just keep going up and up. Anyway, Tony, beautiful picture. And the weather yesterday was pretty nice. It was relatively warm compared to average, but Eleanor, our director behind the scenes, we were chatting this morning around 3 o'clock when we came in, and we both said it felt colder because of the clouds and the wind. And today we will see more sunshine. That's going to be the trade-off, but the wind is going to be a little bit stronger as we're tracking our second cold front of the week. This one has a little more potency than what we saw yesterday, and even a little bit of moisture for some isolated to spotty snow showers towards the evening hours. Most impacts would be up towards the Palmer Divide or down south of the Raton Mesa, and even their impacts expected to be very little. Right now, 24 degrees in the Springs, feels like temp down to 15. So after yesterday's cold front, the chill is definitely settling in. Check out Pueblo right now. The feels like temperature all the way down to 8. Now here's the weak disturbance, the mean area of low pressure that's going to drive the front pretty far to our east. And that means since we're so far removed from that low, the cold front doesn't have a lot of energy, a lot of oomph associated with it, certainly not a lot of moisture. So here's how it plays out on Futurecast. As you make our way towards noon, we get some light snow showers into the central northern mountain ranges. Model shows the potential for a few showers developing around El Paso County through the mid to late afternoon hours. It's going to be relatively warm, so some of this, if it reaches the ground, could fall as rain, especially south of the Palmer Divide, whereas up towards Monument Hill, just some spotty to isolated snow showers. That chance will continue up until late this evening and then diminish as you make our way into Wednesday morning. Here's the very latest snowfall map. Up to maybe an inch or a half an inch around the Palmer Divide, northern El Paso County, up to Castle Rock. Might see a trace on some grassy surfaces in parts of Colorado Springs, and maybe up to a half an inch or so down south of Highway 50. The wind is going to be the bigger impact today. Once that front blows through, you'll feel it once again. Winds are going to be coming out of the north and northwest around 25 to 35 miles per hour. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if we see some isolated gusts today, up around 40, especially towards elevated surfaces. All right, highs this afternoon with that dip in temps warming into the 40s and 50s. So we'll continue to cool through Wednesday, and then we warm back up really quickly as we turn the page back to some spring-like weather. Not 1, not 2, but 3 consecutive days at or above 61. In Pueblo, we'll see 50s here Tuesday to Wednesday. We peak on Saturday up near 70. Now, I checked records. They're pretty far out of reach. They're in the middle to upper 70s Friday to Saturday, but still well above average for this time of the year. Canyon City gusty with maybe a flurry or a flake this evening. Chances of anything sticking very, very low there in Fremont County. By the weekend, upper 60s. Is it February? Is it April? I'll let you decide. For Woodland Park, gusty with some light PM snow on Tuesday. That's today. Chilly Wednesday, and then warming back to the 50s for the rest of the forecast period.